Out in Shelob's Lair again tonight. I was gonna do this on the deck, but it's been raining all day. There's a chance for severe storms with tornadoes tomorrow. Fun, yay! I love severe storms. I haven't sprayed out here in a while. I hope there's no brown recluses or any of that sort of shit out here. Guess we'll find out, you know, if I get some relight my pipe and get some more light here, maybe. I hope we don't have an earthquake, because this camera is kind of sitting here tediously. Dump some of that ash out. There we go, that's slightly better lighting. But, yeah, I'm out in Shelob's Lair. Got a chance of severe storms tomorrow. My family's down in Oklahoma, so they're probably all used to this shit by now. Holy crane fly bat, man, Jesus Christ. Fucking big ass crane fly. Oh, I don't care about those. Those will just bug me. But yeah, it's kind of a little bit moist outside of. That's what she said. But, I had an actual proper topic for part of this video, but I forgot it. That's typical, though. I'm sure I'll remember it later at some retarded time. I suppose I'll end with the housekeeping. It's the housekeeping time. This is my Ozark hardwood, which looks like a big black ball in this light. Und in it as a smoking proper English by Peter Stockaby is good. But anyway, I'm gonna go back inside in a bit and wait for the fun round of storms. Oh, yeah, that's what I was gonna talk about. We're hoping to go down the main street again sometime today. We got down there a little bit late and all the shit was closed. It's tartan days right now. The Scottish stuff and a bunch of our friends from the Living History Company. I'll put a shout out link in the bottom bucket or whatever the hell it is down there. But they're a bunch of cool people. They do Ren fairs, reenactments, you know, everything from medieval stuff to like Civil War and era and all that sort of thing. pretty amazing group of people. Me and my wife want to get back into doing some of it, but we just haven't had the time or money or energy lately, and there's a lot of stuff we're planning on doing this summer. We want to go camping at least once, and then her birthday's coming up at the end of the month, and there's a lot of stuff just in